Hello, it's me, Spectacular Trollman. Here to show you that a pigeon or a bird decided to make his nest outside of my window. Guess what happens if you touch it? ¿Qué hago con esto solo un poco? See, she gets angry. She has little babies right under there. That's what happens. She gets furious. I think you can see, but she has a little infant right under her. She laid 2 eggs. 1 baby and an egg. I don't know where the egg is right now. I think it's right under there. Yeah. So she decided to. My mom told me that there was a mother and her babies made a nest here. So I decided to check it out. Right now it's been it's Monday, so that must mean 6 days from now. 6 days from right now. We don't actually know when she's been here, since when she laid her eggs. I don't know. Here's the fire escape. There used to be a plant there, where she's sitting right now. Now there's just dirt there, and I don't know, a little flower. I think it's a fake. But I don't know who did it, but somebody put my lead pencil there. I don't think you can see it. One second. Too close. Too close. Too close. Too close. Too close. Too close. This will zoom in. There she is. She's not a pigeon because she's not gray. Maybe she's a pigeon. A pigeon is outside. There it is. Please comment and subscribe. This has been Spectacular Trollman. Goodbye.